What is golden milk and what are the benefits of drinking this? Hi, welcome to Healthy Lifestyle Hub channel. In today's video, we will tell the advantages of drinking golden milk. Golden milk, also known as turmeric milk, is an Indian beverage that has become popular in Western cultures. Traditionally, this bright yellow beverage is made by heating up cow's or plant-based milk with turmeric and other spices like cinnamon and ginger. It has many health benefits and is often used as an alternative remedy to boost immunity and stave off disease. Here are science-based golden milk benefits, and a recipe for making your own. Golden milk is rich in antioxidants, which help protect cells from damage, fight off disease and infections and contribute to your overall health. Turmeric, ginger and cinnamon, the main ingredients in golden milk, have strong anti-inflammatory properties that may reduce inflammation and joint pain. Some ingredients in golden milk may help preserve memory and reduce the decline in brain function from Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, may help reduce symptoms of depression. However, more research is needed. Turmeric, ginger and cinnamon, the main ingredients in golden milk, all have properties that may benefit heart function and protect against heart disease. Cinnamon and ginger, two main ingredients in golden milk, may lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Studies indicate that cinnamon, ginger and turmeric may offer some protection against cancer. The ingredients used to make golden milk have antibacterial and antiviral properties which may protect your body from infections. Their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties may strengthen your immune system as well. Ginger and turmeric, two ingredients in golden milk, may help relieve indigestion. Turmeric may also help relieve symptoms in people with ulcerative colitis. Golden milk can be rich in calcium and vitamin D depending on the milk you use. Both of these nutrients contribute to a strong skeleton, reducing your risk of bone diseases, such as osteopenia and osteoporosis. Golden milk is easy to make at home. For a single serving of golden milk or about 1 cup, simply follow this recipe. Ingredients to make golden milk: 1/2 cup, 120 milliliters, of an unsweetened milk of your choice. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. 1 small piece of grated fresh ginger or half a teaspoon of ginger powder. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. 1 pinch of ground black pepper. 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup, optional. Directions to make golden milk. To make the golden milk, simply mix all ingredients in a small saucepan or pot and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer for about 10 minutes or until fragrant and flavorful. Strain the drink through a fine strainer into mugs and top with a pinch of cinnamon. Golden milk can also be made in advance and stored in your refrigerator for up to 5 days. Simply reheat it before drinking. Golden milk is a delicious drink loaded with antioxidants that can provide a range of health benefits, from a healthier brain and heart to stronger bones, improved digestion and lower disease risk. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more useful health-related videos. Press the bell icon to receive the notifications of our latest videos.